So guys, in today's Python video, I am telling you about the Python output variable. So yeah, I am telling you about that. So let's move to the computer screen and let's do a coding with laughing. So guys, in today's Python video, I am telling you about the Python output variable. So yeah, I am telling you about that. So let's get started and let's learn about the Python output variable. So let's learn about that. Output variables. The Python print function. What is the Python print function? The Python print function is often used to output the variables. Okay, like if I say, like if I go on my Visual Studio Code and erase this PHP files, and when I go into file and go into the new file, and here I make one Python file, and how to make it, what you can do, let me tell you. You can here you can wrote like Rayyan.py. okay, आपने बना लिया अब अपनी so where you can make your file. I am making my file on my documents, and then here I will be click onto the create file. So my file has been made it. Here you can see it, my Python file has been made it. So now when I go here and when I make one variable like y comma z orange banana and blue. So now when I write this variable, okay, when I make this variable, so I say here, this say like the print function is often used to output the variables. What? The print function is often used to output variable. The Python print function is often used to output the variables. Okay, so let me show you how it possible. You can go on here and you can write here print, okay, and then x and then y, and I am not writing like z, print z I am not writing. So when you write like print y and print x, like I have told you, the print function, not here, let me make one comment, print function is often used for output the variable. Okay, now I am not writing z and I am only writing x and y. So when I run it, so it give me only orange and banana. Why? Because I write like print x and y only. Like I have told you, like print function is often used for output the variable. When I write like here print z also, so then it give me also blue. Here you can see it like that. It give me all three figures. If I erase this and only print x has been I have print, and when I run, so it give me only orange. Here you can see it, why it give me only orange, because like I have told you, print function is often used for variables. Print function is often used for output the variables. Okay, now for example, like I have already give you example, so I do not give you example one another time. In the print function, you output multiple variables separated by the comma. What? Separated by the comma. If I write here like that, now when I run it and save it, should give me like Python is awesome. Why it give me Python is awesome? Because I write print, and like I have told you, the print is often used for output the variables. Okay, if you do not write print, so it not give you the output. Here you can see it. Now for example, like in the print function, you output multiple variables separated by the comma. How? Let me tell you. Like this one example has been shown. When I copy this example and when I save this example and run it, so it give me Python is awesome like that. But I write like here x in one line, and in the two I write like y equals to is, and in the third line I write like z equals to awesome. But it give me Python is awesome in the mix like that. Why? Because in the fourth line, like I have told you, print function is often used for output the variable. That's why I write like x, y, z, and then it has been mixed. Here you can see it. If I write like here a comma equals to Python is awesome, nice, and if I write here a also, so it give me Python awesome, nice. Here you can see it like that. Like that you can do it. So now come here. You can also use the plus operator to output the multiple variables. Okay, you can use the plus operator to output the multiple variables like that. Here you can see it. Save it and then it's a Python is awesome, nice. But it is not giving me the space here. If it's not giving me the space here, space here, space here, then space here. Then it's not giving the space like that, and like that. Okay, so okay, if it's not giving me that, like that, okay, and then okay. So here you can see it gives you the space, but you cannot give space here. Then here you can see Python is awesome, nice, like that is giving me like that. Here you can see it. For example, like I give you one example already, so I do not give you one example one more time. Notice that the space character after Python and is, without them the result will be Python is awesome. Okay, like, but I have told you how to give the space. For numbers, the plus character works as a mathematical operator. What? For numbers, the plus character works as a mathematical operator. Like if I show you, like here you can see it. If I write like plus here, and it is working like a mathematical operator, it has been merged. Okay. Now, like if I give one more example, if I write like here x equals to 5, y equals to 10, and here I write like print then x plus y. So when I run it, so it gives me 15. Here you can see it. If I write here 10, 100, 1000, and then here I write like multiply sign, so it give me 5000. Why? Because 5 multiplied by 1000 is equals to 5000. Here you can see it. Like it is working like a math operations. Okay, like it is working like mathematical operator. In the print function, when you try to combine a string and a number with the plus operator, Python will give you an error. For example, if I run it, so Python will give you one error. Let me show you. Here you can see why it is giving me the error, because when you are to combine the string and the number plus and the number with the plus operator, like I told you, if you try to combine a string and a number like that, if you try to combine a string and a number, so Python will be obviously give you the error. Okay, okay, that's why. Now, the best way to output the multiple variables in the print function is to separate them with commas, which even support different data types. Okay, if you separated it, the best thing is separated it by the comma, so then it gives you like 5 and John, like that. But if you do like that, you are combining the string and the number, so the Python will give you an error. Here you can see it. Now this type of things very are easy, and you must know these type of things. So here you can see it. In today's video, I told you about the Python output variables, and please must know that like print function is often used to output the variables. What? The print function is used to often used for output the variables. Okay. So now I appreciate your support. If you genuinely appreciate my work, so please like your friends know this course about too. And now if you haven't checked my whole playlist yet, so move on to the code with Rayyan.com on my YouTube channel, so you can easily access it and bookmark it also. So now I made you next class and next very amazing class like that, and told me how's my performance is going in the comment below. Okay, so now I made you next class and next very amazing class. So for today, goodbye.